All right, good morning. Good morning, good morning. It's Monday, starting the week off fresh. Um, been diving into some different strategies, some different things around trading. Was looking at some ICT concepts. Basically, just feel comfortable with volume and price action. Feel comfortable reading volume and price action. But I felt like there's a layer missing, and that layer includes kind of liquidity, fair value, order flow, whatever you want to call it. But a way to determine kind of where the market wants to go or where the market is likely to go due to the amount of transactions in a particular area or where the market might find fair value. And there's ways to do that. I've implemented the volume profile. If you can see in the top right chart, it is on the hourly. I have it both for the session, the daily session, and the overnight session. Been really digging into it. Really digging into it, trying to understand the ways that I can pair this with my current trading style. I'm not trying to do something completely new, completely different. What I'm trying to do is just add another layer that gives me some insight into where liquidity may be, where price may revert to, spots to pay more attention to when you're considering things like reversals, pullbacks, etc. So haven't really tried it out. I took one trade based off of it last night. Got a 50-point trade, just 2 contracts. It was on my demo account. I didn't take it on this Apex account. And that could have been beginner's luck. It could have just been like a fool's luck, but it worked out. I got 50 points on 2 contracts, relatively easy, no drawdown, just kind of following some order flow strategies, looking at, price being out of balance, wanting to go back into balance, those sort of things. So I'm going to be taking it really easy. This week will probably be a lot of education for myself as I continue to watch people who use the volume profile for trading, continue to further my understanding of the concepts around it and kind of how people use it or how people view it, what these value areas mean, how you can view them, and then applying that, looking at charts, seeing what correlations do I make. This is a lot of yapping, but I just want to get you right where I'm at. Start the week off. You might see some weird things on the charts, like these volume profiles. It's going to be a little bit different. But really, we're using volume and price action. We're using levels, and then we are going to look to confirm those levels, or use volume and price action to confirm things that we're finding on higher time frame volume profiles, such as areas of liquidity, areas of fair value, rotations back into fair value, possible imbalances, and where we might get trending markets due to buy side or sell side balances. Yeah, it's a lot, and I have a pretty rudimentary understanding of it currently. I really want to understand more of it. I think this is kind of, and I don't want to put all my faith into an indicator necessarily, but volume profiles, not a lagging indicator. It's real time. It's a very legitimate indicator and strategy. So yeah, just looking to see how I can incorporate it and kind of add that final layer. And I think this is kind of the missing piece. I don't, like I said, I feel silly saying that, like, oh, this indicator is going to be the difference, but it really could, in terms of just adding that final layer to help me kind of see things in a bigger picture, and then combining that with price action, volume, etc., to find entries, exits. But yeah, like I said, a lot of yapping. If you made it through all that, congratulations. I'm just about done. The market's just about to open. What am I watching now? So there's a few things, right? What I'm seeing is that we're currently in the value area for the overnight session. The overnight session's about to end. It just ended. So what are we doing? Oh, we're holding so far. I mean, like I said, the market just opened. We're holding so far the value area market low. I wouldn't be surprised to see us come up and test that point of control. I also wouldn't mind seeing us. I'm so sorry, this YouTube ad just threw me out so bad. Come on now. Alright, so we kind of held that value area low so far. What I want to see is, do we hold that and rotate back up into the point of control? We might. And you see kind of a drop in volume in here too. So if we get above like 785 or so, I think we move up to that point of control around 820 pretty easily. We also have this value area above us and above yesterday's high, so I think if we could hold this and maybe rotate, we have this kind of bottom heavy distribution, right, where all this the value area is kind of at the bottom here. We failed to close out below this, so we close this overnight session within the value area. I see that as a big potential for, you know, at least a move up. But overall, we're in a downtrend, so don't want to fade that either. So, like I said, I'm still trying to put things together, still trying to understand how to read this all. I'll probably be trading with like 1 or 2 contracts, as I figured out. What's up, guys?
Good morning.
How you guys doing?
I think we could do it though. Looking at like 855-ish.
As like resistance.
Yeah.
I have a trend line around that area. Big on the 15-minute candle going down.
Okay.
Could reject and keep going down, or break out and trend change a little bit.
Yeah. Still have levels underneath that I would like to see get hit before we go higher, but I don't know if we'll get those moves today. We got CPI and PPI this week.
Like, why does my chart look weird? I'm looking at the 4-hour.
What's it look like?
Like it wasn't moving.
No.
SPY doesn't really have it, but NQ has a little trend line to the upside as well.
Yeah.
Kind
I
of
see
bouncing
that.
that right now, but it did break it.
Contracts didn't change, did they? Or did they with the start of the new year?
No.
I think it's still March.
Yeah.
I was just looking at, like, it seems like my charts aren't loading past like December, the end of December. It's weird. Oh yeah. Ooh, I might like a little long skin on Spy. It gets to a certain point.
And Q looks pretty good to the downside, kind of. Try my luck on a short.
It's not luck, dude. Destiny.
Looking good so far.
Yeah, NQ is looking real solid to the downside.
Tempted to take a little bit here. Yeah, that trend break looked really good on NQ. So I was hoping that Spy would follow. Take a little bit there.
I started learning about volume profiles over the weekend.
Is that like the weird looking like side volume bar thing?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Take advantage of the flexibility
Because it's kind of like part of
with Ninja Trader.
like volume price action analysis. But I never really used it, so I started looking into it over the weekend. I like it a lot. I mean, I still don't fully understand like
Yeah.
how I'm going to use it. Maybe I took a trade last night, and like the after hours, it worked really well using it. But
I think Umar uses that stuff, right?
I think so. I mean,
Charts and all that.
yeah, they kind of just group it into like order flow in terms of like the strategies. It's considered like order flow trading. But I like it because I feel like it's kind of what I was looking for in ICT in terms of like it shows you like fair value, it shows you like areas of high and low liquidity. It shows you like whenever there's an imbalance, if it's like imbalance to the buy side or the sell side. And it just does so through like volume at particular price points, and then they use that to like basically you get a measurement of like volume transacted at every price point throughout the day or like after hours or pre-market or whatever.
You're charting that on Trading View?
On Tradeovate.
Tradeovate.
Yeah,
Because I don't think I have that on Thinkorswim.
I think you can do it on Thinkorswim. I tried it a while ago. You can definitely do it on Thinkorswim. I remember playing around with it. I didn't understand it back then. For example, like right now NQ is at the very bottom of its like value area. In fact, it just like held the value area low. And if it fails to, and you have kind of a double bottom down here, but if it fails to like break below that value area low, starts moving up, then it could quickly turn into like a breaks to the upside, like a buy side imbalance, and form like a bounce. I don't know. I'm still trying to learn how to read it, but it's interesting. I like it.
Does it give you more of like an entry kind of?
Yeah,
strategy?
yeah. It's kind of like ICT in terms of like it shows you where things like fair value are, like where price wants to gravitate towards.
Like potential buyers and sellers.
Yeah, because you see areas where like a lot of transactions took place, and then if you like pair that with, because volume shows it over a time period, like whatever time you're on, but this shows it at like price instead of time. So then you can combine like price action with this volume profile, and you can say, okay, it's like it's way above. Say it's like overextended. It's way above like what's considered the value area where most people were trading it. If it pulls back into that value area, you could look for like potential bounce or something like that. Or like if it's in a downtrend, if it pulls back into the previous day's value area, you could look for like a rejection and continuation of the trend.
Have you noticed it lining up with fair value gaps or order blocks or anything?
A little bit, yeah. Last night when I was trading it, actually I was trading it and I traded a bounce and I was targeting like the previous day's fair value. And then I noticed like on the 1 and the 5 minute, it was also a fair value gap there as well. So I don't know if that was just like a coincidence or if it's oftentimes works like that.
Yeah, probably have to just back test it and find out.
Yeah, I just kind of started getting into it like Saturday and Sunday, and then I figured this week I'm just gonna take it easy with like 1 or 2 contracts and just try it out. Try to observe and see what I notice, but
Yeah.
Damn, this is looking good. And it bounced as soon as I said that.
I have these new glasses, but when I wear headphones, it like presses the whatever you want to call it, like the little ear thing. It like presses it into my head and gives me like it hurts. I don't know if I'm just being a baby or probably just being a baby.
I don't wear headphones, or not over the ear headphones, so I can't really relate. I don't know what you're talking about.
Wow,
That was a crazy bounce.
that stopped me out. That's pieces.
So yeah, if NQ goes above like 780 and it looks strong, I guess it's kind of still changing. Like 785 or so, and it still looks strong. I wouldn't be surprised to see it try to move up towards like 880. That's like previous day's value area low. And that would still be like a lower high. You could look for continuation down, or I don't know. Still trying to learn. It'll be interesting to see how it plays out. But like right there, it held the bottom of that value area, and it like kind of made a double bottom, and now it's like kind of trying to break out towards the top of the value area. And if it does, then I would expect to see like a little bit of a buy side imbalance up until the next area. I could also be completely wrong. I just kind of want to talk it through and see if it actually happens that way.
I feel like that's how you learn best.
Yeah. But what I like about it is it's like you can capture like much bigger moves. Like 60, 80 points is like especially on NQ because it moves that well. But you can get like rotations back into fair value or whatever. It's like it's kind of crazy how much you can get, how much of a move you can capture.
Yeah.
That was a crazy candle.
It really was. 1 minute. I don't even know. It's like 80 points. 70 points. Right back down it goes. But yeah, I don't know. I'm excited. I feel like it's kind of the, I don't want to say like missing piece because that sounds stupid whenever you give like an indicator that much weight, but I feel like it at least was something that I was looking for in terms of like, I was reading volume and price action decently well, I felt like, but I just wanted to have like an understanding of like why price would move to a certain area, you know, as opposed to just like support and resistance, but like actually having an idea of like, oh, there's super low liquidity between here and there, and it will probably move through that area really quick to get to liquidity. I don't know. It's like the missing piece that I kind of wanted to understand on a deeper level. It's much easier. It's just lines on a chart instead of me having to actually think with ICT. Like ICT, I have to do some mechanical engineering and shit. Alright, I'm gonna be right back, fellas. I'm gonna grab some coffee. Seems like my Trade Evade account is like not working.
That's not good.
Well, maybe my Apex. I don't know. I just tried to take like one contract just to see, just to try something out, and it won't fill any orders or do anything. If I click buy or sell, it like literally doesn't have any sort of response at all. I'm gonna log in my Apex account and see if it's like, if it's frozen or something.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm clicking like cancel all, exit all positions, and it says that there's no positions, so I don't think it has me like stuck in a position. I don't really know what it's doing. Kind of frustrating because I want to take a trade here. What's going on?
Were you gonna take long?
I mean, now I would, yeah. I wanted, I mean,
On at 7:52.
you took along 752?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Yeah, I would have taken it once we broke above like 780, 783 or so, that little swing high. Not what I was talking about, like breaking out of that value zone, and now I expect it to go to like, I would target yesterday's low, like 874. Or not yesterday, Friday.
I want to see like 8:45.
Yeah, that'd be a solid target for sure. Take out those highs.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was just gonna take one contract and just see where it led me, but yeah, that's probably, if I was on a trim, I'd definitely take. Well, what the hell? It says my account's all good. It says it's active. Confused why it won't let me take any trades. Hmm. You entered on the hold of that fair value gap on the 1 minute, I'm guessing? That big fair value gap?
Yeah, really, we ran through all the fair value gaps, like all the sell side, or what it's called.
Yeah, and that big move
Fair
up.
value gap.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just ran through all of those, and then on our pullback down, we hit the 50% retrace. So I liked how that
Yeah.
looked, so I entered.
Beautiful.
Yeah. So
Dude, it's moving so well. Mm-hmm. It should move really fast once it gets up here. There's like, looks like pretty much very little liquidity up in this area above these highs. It breaks those. Yesterday's low, or Friday's lows, should be pretty easy.
I have an order at 8:40. See if it'll get me up there.
There's 840.
That's it.
Use one contract.
One contract.
Beautiful.
I want to size up. I think I'm gonna size up this week, but just since today was No News Monday, I didn't want to.
Fair. Yeah, I don't know what's going on.
Did you exit out and restart it, log out, all that?
Yeah, I guess I will here. But now I don't want to. Alright, yeah, I'll close it and see if I can restart and have any luck. But yeah, my account's not frozen or anything, so it shouldn't be doing this. Alright, let's see. I don't want to take a trade just to take it, but I kind of want to see if it will let me execute one. No, it won't. It won't even let me like set limit orders or anything. What the hell is going on?
It's weird.
Kind of driving me nuts.
To the right account and everything.
Yeah.
You didn't break any rules, did you?
I mean, no, but it's the challenge account, so it's not like there even are rules. I mean, you can YOLO it and get it in one trade if you want, but...
Maybe a Google search?
Why is it doing this? It's funny, because right now it's actually giving me a decent entry. Okay, it won't let me do it. I'll check it out. It's weird too, because I'm only trying to trade one contract, so it doesn't seem like it'd be any sort of issue with like rules or sizing or any margin. That's some bullshit though. Like getting close to passing my account and then they just don't let me trade anymore.
Did you log out and log back in, or just exit out?
I've tried both.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll continue. I'll log out again. I don't know what the answer is here. But I haven't found anything online explaining it. They're all like on the like funded accounts, like, oh, you must have broken a rule or something, but that doesn't really apply. It's weird because I haven't taken a trade since last week, so I don't know what would have changed then. See. Yeah, I don't know. I'll have to look into it. It's still not working.
I found something that says click on chart settings, then fills and orders, then show all.
I use NinjaTrader, so I'm not too sure.
I don't even know where chart settings is on this thing.
Yeah. Settings. Would you say view settings do what now?
Chart settings, then fills and orders, and then show all. Chart settings? I don't even know what chart settings is though.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to like my account settings maybe.
Fills and orders.
I have orders. Let's see. Today, it just doesn't show anything at all.
That's weird, dude. I wonder if it's a TradeAvate issue or if it's a whoever you're using issue.
I'm using Apex on TradeAvate.
Apex, yeah. Because some of these people are saying that they were actually executing orders, but it wasn't showing up, and
Oh,
didn't realize
jeez.
that yeah.
I mean, I did the cancel all, exit all positions and stuff, and it says that there's no orders, so I don't think I'm anything. Hopefully that would have got me out had I been.
You're using the right contracts, right?
I mean, I hope so, yeah. That's why I was asking if the contract changed. So on H5?
Yeah, H5. Have you tried doing ES also?
Yeah, I haven't. Let me see it. See if I can take a single contract. ES doesn't work either.
Yeah, okay. Weird.
It's very weird.
Mm-hmm. Well, damn. I like that long opportunity. Wish I got in. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, but it's kind of frustrating me. Especially now that I'm so close. I'm literally like $900 away from getting funded. Yeah.
Damn, look at you.
I know. I crested 2,000 in profit for the first time on a challenge account. That's why
That's awesome. Hell yeah.
Also, I'm frustrated because I actually saw a setup I like. It's working out perfectly. It's up like over 40 points right now. Come on. Now I just want to figure this out though.
Best bet is probably just message him.
It's moving so nice too. Should go right up to that like 873. Call it 880 for good times. Oh, it's actually really cool. On Tradovate, you can break down your performance. Oh, wow. This year, I have a 79% winning percentage. If you go to Tradovate, and then like where it shows your account, if you click that and it has a little drop down, and there's like a little gear icon next to your account, then you click on that and then go to performance, and then under date you can do today, yesterday, this week, last week, etc. I just did this year and hit go. You can export to CSV or PDF. That's pretty interesting.
That is cool. Yeah, they're kind of. It's like the same as TradeZilla.
All right, yeah, I'm looking. Yeah, it doesn't have any trades executed today at all, which is good. But it's weird. Yeah, that's actually a really cool breakdown. I really like that.
It's interesting, yeah.
Shows like your averages and all that. That's cool.
Wait, for this year, okay, so just January 1st to today. How many winning trades do you have?
Number of winning trades, 15.
How many losing trades?
4.
Damn. I have 4 winning trades, 6 losing trades, but more than double profit than loss.
That's beautiful. Hey, that profit and loss is what matters.
Right?
Take it.
My longest winning trade was almost 30 minutes.
Longest winning trade, 15 or 14 minutes, yeah. That's so cool. I like looking at this.
Yeah, it is pretty neat. Wow, it did not go up to yesterday's low. Swept those relative equal highs and now it's heading down again. I don't know. I have a feeling it's something to do with Tradovate.
You've been having problems with Tradovate, like with it freezing and stuff, haven't you?
Yeah, here and there. This morning was weird. When I first logged on, my charts weren't showing up at all. And then I logged off and logged back in and it was fine. But yeah, I'm wondering if it's like Tradovate being shitty. Which kind of sucks though, because I already have this account with them.
Yeah.
Can't really transfer it.
Maybe you can try to
Can you,
re-log in your credentials and all that.
Here, do you have the option to do the practice account?
Oh, that's a good idea, yeah. Maybe try to place a trade on your sim or something.
Yeah.
You mean like not my Apex account?
Well, so like I have, yeah, I guess so. I have 2 accounts on my Tradovate, and one of them is the demo account.
Okay. Yeah, I would have to log into my like Google account or whatever that's linked to Tradovate, because right now I'm just logged onto my like Apex account and it only has the.
When you click account up at the top, 2 accounts don't pop up. It's just one.
It's just one Apex demo.
Okay.
But here, that's what I'll do. I'll log out and I'll try to get on my. Just like sign in with my email and go to my demo account that way, because that's how I take like a demo trade. I'll see if it will let me do anything. It's probably a smart way to test it. Alright, let's see. I'm going long. Yeah, it works on my demo account, so maybe it is Apex. What the hell?
That's stupid.
That doesn't make me feel good about it.
From the top step.
say send a message to Apex and ask him what's up.
Alright, that's some crap.
Kinda ugly. Not really choosing a direction. Maybe down now.
Well, we took buy side. We hit that 855 level that I was talking about earlier.
It like broke through both my trend lines, first to the downside, then to the upside, but it was just like fakes. Didn't really continue any direction.
Yeah, it might be a little choppy in here because it's like back in the value area. Might see like more balanced
Hello, boys.
up and down chop. What's up, Yvonne?
Was good.
Alright, see you later then.
Wait, what is this?
What you got? What you got?
Oh, what the hell? So this was yesterday. I just went to their help center on Apex, and it says we're addressing a temporary issue impacting TradeEvade accounts. To ensure a smooth resolution, please note the following update. The market for TradeEvade accounts will be temporarily halted until further notice as we work closely with TradeEvade to implement the necessary fixes.
Oh wow.
So this was yesterday.
Why I can trade
Yeah, you're not on Apex, or you're not on TradeEvade?
using Ninja.
Gotcha. Yeah, it seems to be an issue between Apex and TradeEvade. What? Gosh darn it. No, that makes me feel better, at least knowing that I have some sort of answer as to why that happened.
It doesn't say how long it's gonna be down.
No, that was yesterday, and they said that we'll update you soon as trading resumes. Yeah, that's some... They should give me my monthly feedback.
You don't have the choice to pick which platform? Like you can't.
Well, I can't transfer it. Yeah, once you pick one, your account is kind of tied to that. So I couldn't like transfer this to Ninja, for example, or Rhythmic or whatever.
I can hear you now. Hello, boys.
Oh, what's up?
We heard you say hello and then you just left.
Yeah, because I transfer my. Doesn't matter. I can hear you now, boys. I was actually listening to some summit on Zoom.
No offense.
Okay.
If you're paying more than $30 per month on car
It's
insurance, you're getting ripped.
like the well charts, some new platform. I'll send you the speakers. Just a second.
Never heard of Vadio.
Who?
That bald head guy looks familiar. Oh, I know him.
Do you know that Einstein of Wall Street?
Yeah, yeah. The other guys, I don't know if I've seen him before.
Who are these people?
There are some old school traders.
What did they talk about?
Now two guys talk about options. Guy before talk about technical analysis.
Hmm.
They all look stressed and lost their hair.
I don't know, man. That Einstein guy looks good.
Gives me Dr. Robotnik vibes.
What's
Did you
that?
guys take in trade?
Yeah, I took a long earlier.
It worked out?
Yeah, it worked out nice.
Nice.
I can't trade because Apex and Trade Evader are having problems.
Yeah, you just get to sit and watch, buddy.
Yeah, I saw some notification, yeah.
I didn't see that, and I tried to take a trade this morning. I was like, wait, nothing's working.
Are you on Apex Discord group?
No, I'm not. They got some good stuff in there.
Send you the link.
There's just a bunch of people in there like, I lost all my money.
No.
There's no chat room.
Yeah.
They don't want none of that.
That makes sense. I could imagine it would be pretty emotional.
Yeah, I just saw it yesterday at 9:41 p.m. We're addressing temporary issue impacting Trade Evade accounts only.
Yeah. Did I send you invite? Right.
Yep. Yeah, you're the best. Thank you. Now I'll be informed.
Yeah, I'm
would
following
have-
only this notice board and promotion. That's
Gotcha. Yeah, that's probably a good idea.
A chat room would be like so toxic.
Yeah. Yeah, it'd be so funny.
I don't blame them for not having one. You see, on in the notice board, the notice on 1.8. You see what they spelled with the icons?
Oh boy.
I run or
They're
Somebody spelled Nigher.
I think that's a country.
yeah.
That's what what they meant.
I think that's just pride.
Somebody reacted a middle finger.
And Pakistan and
Yeah, they got like Palestine. I don't know about you. There's a Palestine flag and there's an Israel flag. Dude, it's just, yeah, good thing there's not a chat room. It would be unhinged as hell.
Is that you?
Me? I might start leaving some emojis now that they're locking me out of my account, dude. I might start spelling some stuff.
There's too many reactions on this message. Can't add more.
I did the confused cat.
did you guys receive that mail like 1 month ago from Well Charts?
I did not.
About beta testing.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, I got something like that. I didn't read it though.
Yeah, I joined it like 1 month ago.
I just closed my position.
Would you take a short?
I took a short. Yeah, I had one ES 5842 entry. Turned out nice.
58, 42.
5842.50.
And you just got out?
Yeah.
Damn, son. 20 points or what?
I don't even know, man.
Solid.
I need to be more organized. I know I do, but I don't know.
Check this out. I'm going to show you how I afforded this car. Okay, you ready? All right, $118 for car insurance. That's how much I was paying. Okay? I picked up the car a few months ago
I'm
and
on
watch this. Ready?
just one
$97
25k
premium,
account.
$20 were my fees, $118.
I'm like
Now I
400 away
covered up
now.
my private information, guys. $39, $118.
Kind of trading a
Check
little
this
big.
out. Ready? 500 for comprehensive, 500
I
for
guess once I
collision,
actually get it, I'll trade a
500
little
for
smaller.
comprehensive, 500 for collision. Okay?
I'm
The
the
same
opposite.
thing
I'm
with
really small right
Hyundai
now.
Ioniq.
When I get it, I'm gonna size up like a lot. I feel like that might be the dumbest decision ever, actually.
How many accounts? Just one?
Yeah, just one.
Should trade minis instead of micros.
I might as well just trade 10 micros.
Or 10 minis. Get 100x leverage.
Ooh. Yeah, I'd be up 17 bands right now.
That'd be good. to
That'd be
do.
pretty sick.
Be nice.
Drop like 10k on a live account. Just gamble it. Go short right out the gate.
Gambling.
You're gonna be rich or you're gonna cry by the end of the day.
It's the classic, dude. It's zero or hero.
Bro, that'd be good to do like on with options on like a super volatile day.
It's,
10k on options and go short.
it's like the
I mean,
it's like the gambling meme where it's like you can make like over 10,000%, but you can only lose 100%. The risk to reward is in your favor. Infinite profit, but only 100% loss. So
You'd be a fool not to try.
Wall Street doesn't want you to know this.
I tried it a couple of times, just a straddle where you buy long and short.
Yeah.
Do you like get rid of the one that's not working?
Eventually, yeah, before it hits zero. Like at a 50% loss, you just take it and let the other one just ride over 100%. It works until you have like a very choppy day. And then you just lose on both.
Yeah.
The price action today has actually been great.
It's been kind of nice.
Yeah, it's been moving. Yeah.
Well, I was too busy typing up kind of what happened. I was journaling, then missed. I really wasn't paying. I didn't want to take anything else, honestly, but my bias was right. I mean, we came up, hit that 5-minute fair value gap. I don't know if you're looking at that, Ryan. But
When we
at that 5-minute fair value gap up there at like 8:55.
Yeah.
And that's where I was looking for a reject, and then taking that all the way back down to those lows we didn't clear yet, down at like 693.
Yeah. It's still good. I mean, it's looking.
No, I think it's gonna hit it now. It's just a matter of time. Even on the 1 minute though, I mean, solid. Fair
Seems like a
value
good
gap
day
now.
for channel trading. Buy low, sell high. Short high, sell low. It's just been kind of choppy, but big range.
Shit, I might want to take another trade.
You still have that same account, Ivan?
Yeah.
How long has it been?
Oh, like a month.
Yeah.
Yep. I have some evil accounts also, and I receive now from the 12 charts like 3 evil accounts.
Oh, cool. Dang, maybe I should have signed up.
Yeah, honestly, I mailed them like 1 month ago asking Apex, is that a scam or something? They said it's a real deal.
It's the real deal. Is it too late?
Yeah, I think so.
It's never too late. Don't give up.
Yeah, no follow through today. But still moving decently. I'm gonna try to trade tomorrow. Actually, the following day, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, but I'm gonna go visit my parents. I'll probably take my laptop, try to trade.
Nice.
Maybe Ryan will also try to trade this week.
What do you say? Yeah. I'm just really scared. I don't want to take a loss. I'm so scared of the market. No, it's alright. It's probably good. Yvonne, I was telling these guys I'm playing around with volume profiles. Started working on it this weekend. It gives me some time to kind of watch and observe and see if things work as I expect them to.
Do you have on Tradeway like a good
Yeah.
setup?
Yeah. Yeah, Tradeovate's volume profiles are actually really nice. Just like really clear. I tried it on Thinkorswim and it was like the charting on Thinkorswim is okay. Feels a little messy.
You know what it would be called?
Usually just volume profile. Let me see. Yeah, I think on Thinkorswim it's TOS. What's it called?
Let's see what the default settings do.
Are you ready
Okay.
to see your brand on TV?
Looks interesting.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Your competitors will wish they had known about Vi.
Yeah, I feel like it was kind of cluttered on Thinkorswim, if I remember correctly when I used it. I looked at it and it just kind of like steered me away, honestly. I was like, I don't know what I'm looking at.
This is what it's looking like for me. You see it, Ryan?
Oh, let me see. I'll pull it up. Oh, yeah.
But you'd say that like there's liquidity like around like 5760, probably the highest around that area.
Yeah. Well, that's like where the... Yeah, are those levels at like 5801, 5733? Are those levels that you drew?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so it should show you a value area and maybe like a point of control as well. But basically all that's looking at is like the point of control is the price point where the most transactions happened. And then the value area is like one standard deviation up and down of that, which you can adjust. But it's like it just covers like I think it's default usually set to 70% of like all the volume transacted. So that shows you like your fair value area, like where most people are buying and selling, where buyers and sellers are most in agreement. But like right above, kind of like in the area that price is in currently, you see how those bars are like pretty small comparatively? Like that would indicate like lower liquidity in those areas. So like price, you know, if it breaks out from a higher liquidity area, you'd expect it to move like quicker through that low liquidity into like another area of higher transactions to like find more buyers and sellers. But yeah, yours looks quite a bit different.
Get numbers. Kind of weird.
This bounce on NQ is crazy.
This is on the 5-minute, like kind of zoomed in.
Yeah, I'd guess those numbers correlate to the volume. I'm not really sure though. I mean, it's what time frame is that on? Is that daily? No, 5-minute.
5-minute, yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest. That's a lot different than what I'm looking at. I can kind of show you what mine looks like. Give me a second. I sent a screenshot in the trade chat. That's like my 5-minute and then my hourly. But you can see it prints a new volume profile for each like session throughout the day or the overnight or whatever. And then the yellow area is like the value area. The green is everything besides it. But yeah, you can see how it's like prices held that value area really well, and now it's starting to move up, which was kind of my trade idea in the morning for why I was looking for a long at a certain point once it broke out of that value area. And then you can see like the low liquidity right above it, so that's kind of why I expected it to like sweep up into that like gap kind of up towards Friday's low a day. But it didn't quite do that. Got kind of up in there, but yeah, it hit that. Whatever, 855 and rejected.
It's a crazy candle. About to hit the top of this range again.
Yeah, I tried a long on my demo account. I'm trying to reach that Friday low a day. I mostly just want to try this out. Probably for the better that I'm on my demo account, not my Apex. Until it works, and then I'll be upset. Should be fun.
That's the number of traders we have in our firm, SMB Capital, that have each netted nearly 20 million in trading profits in a single year, multiple times. Skip this video if you're not interested in day trading US stocks, because that's what they all do.
Yeah, it should fly through this. Hopefully.
What you may not realize if you do day trade US stocks is that
I'll be back, boys, in a few minutes.
Sounds good. Well, caught it on my demo account.
I feel like it should have gone stronger here.
Yeah, it definitely has some resistance above it though. Especially once it starts getting to like 880 above. I'd expect it to see some resistance.
Alright, that'll be it for me today.
Sounds good, man. Take care.
Yeah, okay, chill tomorrow.
Alright, brother.
See you, man. Have a good one. Should I hit a workout today?
Nice.
What do you think? Should I?
Of course.
Alright. You convinced me.
Got to just start. Do something.
It's nice. I have a little like home gym set up, but it's in the garage and it's been like 30s and 40s, so it's so cold out there. Like the bar and everything, all the weights are like freezing cold to touch, and it hasn't been easy to get my. I mean, I have been doing it, but at first when you're all cold, it's not fun. Oh, nice. The Trade Evade accounts are back. Alright, I want to log in and just make sure everything's all good. Dang, look at that. It hit 880 and just rejected like perfect. Crazy.
Alright, message just came in on trade on Apex. Restored, trading resumed. Blah. We've resolved the recent trade evade issue.
How's Miami, man? At times like this, it's freezing ass cold. I just think it'd be nice to be in Miami.
Weather-wise, yeah, really nice.
How's your job, man? You driving around? You get frustrated with traffic yet?
It's always crazy, the airport.
I'm sure, man. I'm sure.
You get used to it. It's chill though.
That's cool.
Frustrating at times because like constantly lifting like heavy luggage, and some people aren't as generous sometimes.
Yeah, with tips and shit. He's gotta get absolutely shredded, brother. Get shredded. Pick their luggage up with one finger.
Getting a lot of like foreigners lately. France and
Huh.
the UK.
I guess because it's
England.
winter there, so maybe they're trying to come to Miami for some better weather.
They're usually not good tippers though.
Yeah, dude.
Like
Because they don't
terrible.
have tipping in their culture. It doesn't exist.
No. That's kind of frustrating sometimes. They come with like 50 bags and like all heavy. Some of them don't even say thank you.
Yeah, you know what you do then? You rob them. Because they're completely on the other side of the world. What are they gonna do? Welcome to America. This is a Glock with a switch. You know.
I'll try it one day. When I
Yeah.
get back. Give me your euros.
He's gotta give him that. Oh shit! I didn't know Yvonne was here. Sorry, Yvonne. No, I'm joking.
No, I just get back. I heard euros and that's it.
He was saying how some of his European customers don't tip or treat him very well. That's just because they don't have that in their culture, like the tipping and stuff.
Yeah, in some European countries, it's
They just
it's
don't care.
like
I don't know. Or they don't. I don't know.
it's not like a part of the culture. When
Yeah.
you tip someone in some European countries, it's almost like insult.
Insulting to the person tipping or the person being tipped?
The person being tipped.
Really? Getting more money and that's insulting?
Yeah.
Damn. Yeah, you really must think I need this money, huh? You must think I'm broke. Is that it?
It's like mostly in Scandinavian countries.
Gotcha.
Insult me away.
Yeah. Oh, please don't make fun of me and give me your money. That would be terrible.
Next time I'll let them know. Like, feel free to insult me.
Yeah, dude. Instead of the sign on your back that says kick me, it just says tip me. Embarrass me all you want, please. I'd be so embarrassed if you gave me $100. That'd really stick it to me. No, Yvonne, I was telling him though. That's when you know, this is the U.S. Pull out the handgun, and you just take what you want.
Welcome to America.
You pull a ski mask over, even though they already saw your face. They already know who it is. Still put the ski mask on. I went ice skating with my baby niece. Well, she didn't ice skate, but we went to an ice skating place. And I was just thinking how funny it would be, like ski masks for babies. Like a baby in a ski. I don't know why. It's just like that'd be a hilarious visual. Their little chubby cheeks.
I just googled it.
You can now look Ryan on notice board on Apex server.
Yeah, I saw that they got it back. I just logged into my Apex. I don't know if I'll take anything today, but I haven't tried it. I don't want to take a trade just to take one, but I kind of want to see if it works. It should.
I hit the top of this channel like perfect. I feel like it's coming to a good spot. That'd be for a bounce.
Yeah, I was kind of watching to see.
Like the halfway point of this 15-minute candle.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that fair value gap. What does Fooly call it? Yeah, on the 5 minute, there's a big fair value gap, and it's right in like the middle of it. What is it called? Equilibrium? Is that what he calls it? I think it's equilibrium. The equilibrium of the fair value gap. Yeah, bro, ICT shit, I don't know. That's like a college degree if you trade like that.
I don't know. Maybe it's at the fair value gap. I don't know. It's hitting my 20 MA though.
Good enough for me, dude. Alright. Oh yeah, my Apex account works, so let me place a trade. Cool.
It'll be good to go for tomorrow.
Yeah.
Well, survived another day. Nice little profit. Just gonna walk away.
Nice. Good stuff, dude.
Yeah.
Welcome back. I know you're working. Had those morning shifts, huh?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm just gonna close up shop.
Trade from the car.
What part of North Carolina you at?
Just a little bit outside of Charlotte. Pretty much Charlotte. I want to come down to Florida now because I can actually just like it's not far away.
Yeah, that's true.
But I don't have any family anywhere around Miami. Unfortunately, it's all like Daytona Beach and Naples. So
The west side.
yeah, I mean Daytona's like a lot more north than you, or like the middle of the state.
You're a decent distance away from Fayetteville.
You got family over there or something?
Buddies.
Nice.
I'm dying to go visit.
Come on 3, dude.
Mm-hmm.
Water's fine. I'm excited to see more of the state. I really haven't seen a whole lot. I want to get out to the coast, though. It's exciting. I've been landlocked for a while.
Should start getting nice there soon, right? Not like what, March or something?
Yeah, I think so. I would think so. Although I'm not sure, I haven't really been around, but there is just like a kind of a general cold front in the US right now.
Alright, I'm gonna start heading out.
See you, man.
Soon.
Yeah, have a good one. Take it easy.
Peace.
Have a nice day, man. See you.
Later.
Alright, I'm heading out as well. I'll see you tomorrow, Ivan.
Yeah, man. I'm not taking anything today. Also.
Sounds good.
Have a
Take.
nice day, man.
Thank you. Yeah, you as well.
Thank you. See you.
See ya.